In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share folders in Zoho Mail. Whether you're organizing your inbox or collaborating with colleagues, understanding how to efficiently create and share folders will enhance your email management experience. So let's get started with these simple steps. First, let's open Zoho Mail. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and do so. Once you're on the main Zoho Mail interface, you'll see the standard layout with your mailbox conveniently displayed. The first thing we're going to do is focus on the inbox section. Navigate over to your inbox on the left side panel. Now position your cursor over the inbox. You'll want to right-click directly on the inbox label, and when you do, a context menu appears. This menu provides several options for managing your mail folders. From this list, locate and click on Create a Subfolder. This option allows us to add an additional folder within the inbox, perfect for categorizing emails under a new folder name. Next, we need to assign a name to our newly created folder. You're now presented with a text field for the folder name. Think about what you want to name your folder based on its intended purpose. Perhaps it's for a specific project, the name of a frequent contact, or any other classification useful to you. Once you've decided on an appropriate title, go ahead and type it into the provided field. After typing in the folder name, we need to save our progress. Look for the Save button, usually found just below the text field, and click on it. By doing so, Zoho Mail will finalize the creation of your new folder, and you'll see it listed under your inbox immediately. Now that your folder is ready and visible, we can move on to sharing it with others. To begin this, click on the folder you just created. Doing so highlights the folder, allowing you to access additional settings. With the folder selected, right-click on it. Just like before, this will bring up another context menu with various actions. One of these options will be Share this folder. Click on that, which will take you to a Sharing Settings panel. Here in the Sharing panel, you're able to select which user you wish to share the folder with. You might be prompted to enter an email address or select from a list of frequently contacted individuals depending on your settings. Once you've chosen whom to share the folder with, you'll find a Share button here as well. Go ahead and click that button to grant access. And there you have it. You've successfully created and shared a folder in Zoho Mail. This skill can be incredibly beneficial for organizing emails and collaborating with peers efficiently. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to manage your mail folders. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to share your experiences or ask questions in the comments below.